Good morning, children. Now, let us begin our day with vowels. And we know there are 5 vowels. What are those vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. And usme se we have done A vowel, E, I. And now we are doing O. O maybe we have done OB word, OD and OG. So today we are going to do OP. COP. O sound आएगा O, P, op, K, O, P, cop, H, O, P, hop, L, O, P, lop, M, O, P, mop, P, O, P, pop, T, O, P, top, OT, K, O, T, cot, D, O, T, dot, H, O, T, hot, L, O, T, lot, P, O, T, pot, R, O, T, rot, and T, O, T, tot. Now, O, X, ox, B, ox, box, K, ox, cox, F, ox, fox. So, you all have to revise OP, OD, OG, OP, OT and OX words. Okay children, you all will revise all these vowels.